You know her. You love her. She makes this face at you. You should probably run away. AP Style with Becca. Today we're going to be talking about numbers and dates. Numbers! Okay, so one of the first rules is to spell out the numeral at the beginning of a sentence. But if that sentence starts with a larger number, rewrite it! So here's what not to do. And here is what should have been done. Now here is an exception. Spell out expressions. What not to do. And here is what should have been done. Spell out whole numbers below 10. Use figures for 10 and above. What not to do. And here is what should have been done. Use numerals for age. What not to do. And here is what should have been done. And here is the rule for when you make millions. Dates. I know it looks fancier with the little st, nd, erd, and th. Do. Not. Use. Them. Dates should be written in figures only. Figures only. Months should be abbreviated. What not to do. And here is what should have been done. Oh, and whoever took the candy bucket, please give it back.